This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the watch has 4 buttons and is stable. This prevents accidental presses. Next, remove the watch from your wrist and lay it face up so you can press buttons precisely. Press and hold the top left button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This typically opens the settings or time mode. You do this because long presses toggle modes on most digital watches, and entering settings is the essential first step before changing hours, minutes, or other fields. Once in settings, use the bottom left button to cycle to the hours field first, because watches lock you into one field at a time. Then press the top right to increase the number or the bottom right to decrease it. This is how you set hour values precisely. After setting hours, press the bottom left to jump to minutes, and repeat the same top right/bottom right presses for fine adjustment. Hold top right or bottom right for a fast advance when you need to move quickly through many minutes. To finish, press the top left button once or hold the bottom left to save and exit. This commits the new time so the watch resumes normal operation. If the watch doesn't accept changes, try the manufacturer reset combo or remove the battery briefly to clear a lock. Only do this if you're comfortable, since it resets alarms. Make sure the 12 versus 24-hour setting and AM or PM are correct, because an incorrect format will make your displayed time seem wrong even though the numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.